Hey, morning everyone. Sunday morning here, and I'm back on the Navy SEALs. Again, 20 minutes, the usual format, 20 minutes in Navy SEALs. Now, my last 20-minute session of these, I got, it's a 20-minute EMOM format, and the first 8 minutes, I got 7 reps per minute for the first 8 minutes, and then I switched to 6. Carried 6 through to the last minute, and I managed to get 8, which gave me a grand total of 130 seals in 20 minutes, which is my best for a long time. My best being 137, but that was a while ago, so I'm trying to build back up to that and above, and the final target is 150. So I'm hoping I can match the 130 again, because that last session, when I got 130 a few days ago, I had to go all out on that, and that was tough. So hopefully we can manage to get the 130 again. I'm going to try and hold 7 reps for the first 8 minutes again, and then I'll switch to 6 if I need to. See, when I switch to 6, the reason for that is when the time start losing, I like to carry about 30 seconds. Because when I do the first minute, like I have 7 reps done in about 38 seconds. So I only rest for about 5 seconds, straight back into it. So I'm carrying about 25 to 30 seconds as I go through the 20 minutes. But by the time I get to the 8th rep, doing 7 reps per minute, the 8th minute, the time, I'll have a look at the clock then, and then I'll know, do I need to switch, or am I losing too much time after the 8th minute? So that's where I'm at. Okay, let's get my stopwatch. Should I have this ready? Forgot to have this ready. Just bear with me. Doing them inside again. Could do them outside, but just like doing them on these mat. Seem to be getting some decent results on this mat, so we'll do them on this mat for this morning. Come on, stopwatch. Come on, phone. There we go. Right, let's go. Okay, 20 minutes of sheer misery ahead of me now. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7. 3 sevens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7. 4 sevens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. 5 sevens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. 6 sevens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. Had to let the dog. Sorry guys. Let the dog out. That's going to scupper me up on this one. What can I do? Where was I? 3. Oh well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. Won't get the numbers now, doesn't matter. Go on 6s, whatever I get is whatever I get. Dog's more important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. You monkey, you messed me up. I'll get the numbers now. Kill ya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. You're more important, don't you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6. Fuck. Last minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. Whew. Whew. Wow. Whew. All right. Dog came in, scratched out the glass door there for me to let her open the door and let her go out the garden for a week. So took the focus off the whole session. But so what? As much as these, you want to get the numbers, you know, there's certain things more important, so it doesn't matter. Whatever you got, I don't know what you got, to be honest. I think you kept first 6 minutes, I think you got 7 each minute, and I think that happened on the 7th minute, which then I switched to 6, but I'm not 100% sure, so I'll look over the video and see what numbers I got. But listen, as soon as I had to stop and let the dog out, that was it. Focus was gone. And with them, 20 minutes to get 130. For me, literally 110% focused the whole way through. Can't leave the mat, can't do anything. Just, you've got a clock there, and I'm watching that, and I'm keeping on track the whole time. Any distractions, everything's out the window. So that's what happened today. First time the dog had to go for a wee. So listen, so what? Blame the dog. Or blame the dog. I blame the rocks, but so what? Listen, doesn't matter. I'll post the numbers when I look over the video. Maybe 127, 126, whatever. Doesn't matter. It's another session in the bag. As brutal as they are, I'm gonna have to do them. I've done so many of them. 20-minute sessions since January. Well, not January. I think I stopped jumping these around March or April, I think, this year. So it's a lot of sessions in. 137 being my best, and whatever I got there today. But as I said, focus was taken away from me today by the little rocks, so it doesn't really matter. Main thing is the job. 20 minutes we're done. Doesn't matter, 20 minutes we're done. That's the main thing. Doesn't matter. Anyway, have a great Sunday. Early morning test. Feel good after that. Always do. It's brutal, but as soon as it's finished, it's a major achievement just to get through them 20 minutes at full on speed. My full on speed anyway. Had to up the gears a little bit to get to 150, but sooner or later. Have a great Sunday, guys. Take it easy, and thanks for watching. Take care.